Imagine that you are looking at the stars in the night sky through a telescope. Suddenly, the stars vanish. Initially, you might assume there is a problem with the telescope. However, even if you replace it with another one, all you will see is darkness. Space is full of strange and mysterious phenomena that baffle humanity. It is so vast and dark that it often feels like nothingness dominates here. Take a look at this image captured by the Hubble telescope. In the midst of countless stars, there is a completely black area, as if someone has plucked the stars out, leaving an empty void. If you observe the vast clusters of galaxies, you'll notice similar dark voids between the groups of galaxies, where no trace of a galaxy can be found. These areas, devoid of light and teeming with darkness, can seem infinite. Imagine getting lost here. You would be trapped in darkness for eternity, as if the universe itself were shrouded in an endless black veil. So, what is this massive black expanse surrounded by dense darkness? What is this mysterious structure, larger than millions of galaxies combined? Could it be the work of some advanced alien civilization? Or does our universe itself create such voids? What if we accidentally wandered into one of these voids? Could we ever escape? Today, we'll embark on an astonishing journey to uncover these cosmic mysteries. For the first time, we will explore these colossal entities up close. Let's begin our journey 400 light-years away from Earth in the Ophiuchus constellation. Here lies an object named Barnard 68. At first glance, it appears to be a patch of empty space. Thousands of stars surround it, yet there isn't a single star within this dark region. Why are there no stars here? Is this a mysterious void that stars avoid? Let's unravel the mystery. There are millions of such dark regions across the universe. These are known as Bach globules, which are essentially dark nebulae. They are so dense and dark that they obscure the light of stars behind them. When viewed through a visible light telescope, it seems as though someone has punched a hole in the fabric of space. However, in reality, there are countless stars hidden behind these nebulae. Their light is simply blocked by the dense gas and dust. NASA and ESA use radio telescopes to penetrate these dark regions and observe the stars concealed within. If you look at Barnard 68 through a telescope, it will appear completely opaque. The dense cloud blocks the light of stars behind it, making the region seem utterly dark. It's similar to how clouds cover the sun during the day or the moon at night, creating the illusion that they are absent. This nebula, too, creates an illusion of emptiness, as if no star or planet dares to approach it. However, due to its composition of dense gas and dust, Barnard 68 has a high potential for star formation. Stars are born in such nebulae. When gravity takes over, the matter within the nebula collapses and condenses. Once the temperature reaches a certain threshold, nuclear fusion begins and a star is formed. Barnard 68 is in the early stages of this process. It may already contain young protostars that are not yet bright enough to emit visible light. This is why the nebula appears completely dark, even though thousands of stars lie hidden behind it. Spanning about half a light-year in diameter, Barnard 68 is approximately 50 trillion kilometers across. To put this in perspective, if you lined up 3.5 million suns, they would fit across its diameter. While it is 8 times larger in size than the Phoenix A star, the universe's largest black hole, it cannot compare in mass. The nebula's mass is only equivalent to about 2 suns, whereas the Phoenix A star is so massive that even 1 trillion suns would be insignificant in comparison. Nebulae like Barnard 68 are vast yet relatively light compared to black holes. Despite its enormous size, Barnard 68's mass is minuscule compared to the monstrous black holes that lurk in the universe. Its mysterious appearance and the processes within make it a fascinating region to study, offering insights into the early stages of star formation and the enigmatic structures of the cosmos. We can never compare a black hole and a nebula based on mass. Nebulae are spread over several light years, yet their mass is many times less than even a small 100-kilometer wide black hole. Nebulae are the birthplaces of stars, formed from clouds of dust. When these clouds become massive enough, they may eventually collapse into black holes following a supernova. These small black holes can merge to form larger black holes, which over time may evolve into supermassive black holes. Just like Barnard 68, there are many dark nebulae in our Milky Way galaxy that appear as empty spaces. Another example is the Pipe Nebula, located 700 light-years from Earth. It gets its name from its unusual shape. The Pipe Nebula also hides numerous stars behind it. When viewed, it might seem as though the stars of the Milky Way have vanished. This region appears completely empty, with no visible stars. However, like other nebulae, stars in their initial stages have been observed here. These stars are not yet emitting visible light, making it difficult to observe them with optical telescopes. There are many such dark nebulae that obscure stars from our view. However, the surprises of the universe don't end there. In addition to dark nebulae, there are vast empty regions called voids found between groups of galaxies. These voids are entirely different from dark nebulae. While dark nebulae are clouds of gas and dust that hide stars, voids are vast regions of space that appear entirely empty. Scientists have yet to determine what exists within these voids. They are enormous, often millions of times larger than our Milky Way galaxy. Some scientists even speculate that Type 4 and Type 5 alien civilizations might be involved in their creation. Regardless of their origin, these voids are truly mysterious and potentially dangerous. One such void can be found in the Boötes constellation, about 700 million light-years away from Earth. Known as the Boötes Void, or the Great Nothing, this region spans an incredible 330 million light-years. It lies in the gap between two superclusters of galaxies, where one ends and another begins. Despite its immense size, scientists believe that there should be around 2,000 galaxies within this void. However, only 7 galaxies have been observed, leaving astronomers baffled. If you were to reach this void, you would find yourself surrounded by emptiness. The galaxies here are millions of light-years apart, making communication or contact with any potential alien civilizations impossible. As you venture deeper, you would face nothing but darkness. This belt of emptiness, stretching over millions of light-years, contains no objects, nearby galaxies, light, or heat. The temperature would drop to near absolute zero, posing extreme challenges for survival. Even if your spaceship could withstand these conditions and you traveled at 99.99% the speed of light, it would still take 4.7 million years to cross this void due to its immense size. During this time, you would see nothing but darkness. If you couldn't survive this journey, you might remain trapped in this void for eternity, a realm of seemingly infinite emptiness. Our universe, which spans 93 billion light-years, is so vast that its scale confounds even the greatest minds. In 2013, scientists discovered an even larger void, now known as the KBC Void or the local hole. This supervoid stretches over an astonishing 2 billion light-years. While it appears mostly empty, it does contain some galaxies and superclusters. Despite their presence, the void still seems overwhelmingly vacant. The KBC Void encompasses the Milky Way galaxy, the local group, and parts of the Laniakea supercluster. Scientists estimate that our galaxy is millions of light-years away from the center of this void, although an exact measurement has yet to be determined. This immense region serves as a stark reminder of the mysteries and grandeur of the universe. This is the largest void discovered to date. In terms of size, it is 6 times larger than the Boötes Void. In fact, 6 Boötes-like voids could fit in it in a straight line, and there would still be thousands of light-years of space left over. This truly is astonishing. Although we are part of this super void, crossing it to reach another location would be nearly impossible. Even traveling at 99.99% the speed of light, the journey across this 2 billion light-year expanse would be monumental. What lies beyond it and what kind of worlds exist there remain a mystery. It is humbling to think that amidst this vast darkness, the light, the galaxies and the life forms residing within them, are so small in the grand scale of the universe. The sheer immensity of the cosmos is mind-boggling. Cosmic voids and dark nebulae may both appear as massive regions of darkness and emptiness, but they are fundamentally different. Dark nebulae are clouds of dust that block visible light, creating the illusion of emptiness. While stars are present around and behind them, they are hidden from view, giving the impression that nothing exists in that region of space. In reality, these regions are far from empty, with countless stars hidden within and behind them. In contrast, cosmic voids are truly empty regions of space. They are larger than millions of galaxies combined, and if someone were to enter one, the darkness could easily be mistaken for the entirety of the universe. These vast voids are so immense that their scale defies comprehension. In this video, we explored the concepts of dark nebulae and the largest voids in the universe, gaining insight into their enormous sizes and unique characteristics. If this information has surprised or intrigued you, let us know your thoughts in the comments below and share this video with others. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated. I'll see you in the next fascinating science video. Until then, goodbye and take care.